Hi everybody, it's Jennifer Labre and I'm back today with a brand new card. Today we're going to make a wedding card using the Dandelion Wishes set. This is the card. Hopefully you can see that nice silver embossing on there, as well as the silver foil cardstock. So beautiful card I need for my sister-in-law's upcoming wedding, so I thought I'd make her one, and this is what I came up with. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is grab a sheet of the Whisper white cardstock, cut it in half for our standard card, and then we're going to just emboss it at 4 1/4 so that we can fold it easily. Do that. Take our bone folder. Okay. Then we're going to, I don't know if you can see on the original card, but we're going to use the subtle embossing folder on the half of this card. This is what it looks like. We'll take it out and put in the half that we're embossing. There we go. And we'll get our big shot out here. One plate. Oh, it moved on us. Let's get it back in position. Okay, one plate. And we'll move that through. There you go. Hopefully you can see that embossing. It just gives it a nice little extra touch. Put the big shot away. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is take a piece of white cardstock that's 4 by 3 inches. And we've got a piece of the silver foil cardstock that's 4 1/4 by 3 1/4. We'll just put that aside for right now. And we're going to take our Dandelion Wishes stamp set. We'll be using this stamp as well as this stamp that says Wishes for a Lifetime of Love and Happiness. Okay, so we'll take both of those out. We're using our D block today. Even this one's a little bit big for it, we can make it work. Because we're going to be doing some embossing today, we're going to use our Versamark watermark stamp pad. Get that nice and inked up there. Oh, before I stamp that though, we want to make sure we use our embossing buddy on the cardstock. Okay, that really helps to not get little bits of embossing all over. Okay, and we will stamp our other stamp. And just right in the corner here. There we go. I'm going to put a scratch piece of paper underneath of this for any extra embossing powder. And we're going to grab our silver Stampin' Emboss powder. I just thought silver and white look so elegant together. So that's what we're going to do. Okay. Flick off any excess, and got a little bit of extra right there. We'll just wipe that away. Okay, set that to the side for right now, and let's get the rest of our embossing powder back in our jar. Alright, I'm going to use a tweezers to hold on to this while I emboss. It just keeps me from getting burnt fingers. There we go. Hopefully you can see that beautiful embossing. Okay, then we're going to put our card together. We're going to use snail adhesive. Put that right on the center of the foil. Okay. So the back of that. And we will center that right on our card base. Okay. And finally, we're going to take some of our basic pearls. And we're going to use our new Take Your Pick tool. This tool is coming out in the holiday catalog, and it's a great tool for using with pearls and such to get them off of the here. And one more. And there you go. Nice simple wedding card. A little bit of embossing powder on there, but it looks gorgeous. Hopefully you like that as much as I do, and hopefully my sister-in-law loves it. Thank you for watching my tutorial today. Please do feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can just click the button right below so that you don't miss out on future tutorials. For all the products used and more information, please head to my blog at jenniferlabre.com. And as always, if you don't have a demonstrator already, I'd be happy to help you out in any way that I can, including sending you one of our new upcoming holiday catalogs. Just feel free to contact me at jenniferlabre.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.